Bitcoin is surging back above $107,000 as the ceasefire between Israel and Iran is in effect right now. And we are seeing that altcoins are itching to go to the upside. We're seeing a huge influx of money from corporations, from companies into Bitcoin. So we have all the reasons to conclude that a new all-time highs for Bitcoin are coming very, very soon. So we're gonna dive in this short video update about the state of the market in the crypto right now, what is going on, what is hot, and what you can expect moving forward. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is printing a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, which means it is a very bullish development, guys, as Bitcoin is continuing its uptrend. After falling briefly to $98,000, it's been supported by the bulls right now, and we are establishing for sure the support of $100,000. What a nice level of support, as Bitcoin did not close the previous week below $100,000, and now it is an area of support, and we're going most likely very soon to price discovery of around $130,000, which is 20% to the upside of where it is right now. What is contributing to this situation? Well, we're seeing the dollar index is falling, dollar is weakening right now, and the more weaker the dollar is, the better it is for risk on assets, because it's basically dollar worth less money and Bitcoin worth more money in terms of the dollar. We are seeing that Israel and Iran, both of them countries, claim victory as ceasefire takes hold right now. We've seen a brutal war between Israel and Iran take place since June 13th. For the last 12 days, both countries has been very hostile to each other and exchanging battle over there. And as US came and bombed the nuclear sites of Iran, after that, US claimed basically that both Israel and Iran wanted to stop the war. Equally, it was my great honor to destroy all nuclear facilities and capability and then stop the war. However, according to many analysts and intelligence service, not all nuclear facilities and capabilities has been destroyed. In fact, a lot of this uranium enrichment has been moving out of the site, and according to the sources, it's just been delayed by a couple of months or postponed, or like it's not been completely destroyed. So who tells the truth? What is really going on currently? The airport is open again in Israel, and the flights are started to come out. We are seeing that the probability of interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve is increased now over the next meetings, and that is in we're talking about in July, we're talking about in September. So all this that we're talking about October and December. So these meetings are now it's basically the world is expecting rate cuts over there. And Jerome Powell said it publicly that he would already have cut interest rates if not the US tariffs. And now in July, we're gonna see if the tariffs are going to be continued after the 90-day pause, or these tariffs is gonna be discontinued. It will have a great effect on the decision to cut interest rates or not. And of course, if it's gonna be made a decision to cut interest rate, the markets are gonna feel it. We're now seeing that the stock market is rising to pretty much an all-time high, and coming to the price discovery right now. And as stocks and crypto are highly correlated, seeing this move of the stocks going up, it is also good for the crypto market, particularly the Bitcoin, because altcoins are not doing that well as the Bitcoin, right? We're seeing, for example, if you take a look at Ethereum to BTC, it dipped a little bit over here over the past week, and if we're seeing the total 2 market cap, we're seeing that it's still in this red candle over the months, while we're seeing Bitcoin is printing a green monthly candle over here. So it's been right now a Bitcoin dominant market, and the trend to the upside is continuing for Bitcoin to dominance to go up, at least for the time being. But everything can change, and this trend can basically go back to down, and in this case altcoin season will start, but right now it's not there. Here is the news that is absolutely amazing. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell says banks are free to conduct crypto activities. So now Fed is giving the green light for the banks to enter fully with crypto activities, which is borrowing, lending, storing, all of these things. So this is incredible news overall over the market. We're seeing Kazakhstan president renews pledge to create new crypto city where everyone accepts Bitcoin, which is fantastic. It's more use cases for Bitcoin. And Senator Loomis says Bitcoin to buy 1 million Bitcoin may become law faster than crypto bills. So strategic Bitcoin reserve is incoming into the United States of America. As we already see, 3 US states can now buy, own, and hodl Bitcoin. America is fully adopting Bitcoin. We're seeing Metaplanet, a Japanese company, just raised more than $500 million in a single day to buy Bitcoin. This is absolutely incredible what is going on. And even the president himself, through the Truth Social, is planning to launch the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, right? So entering into the sphere of taking the Bitcoin, taking the Ethereum, and allowing more and more people to buy it. This time through the company owned by the president. We see that new Mastercard crypto partnership allows 3 billion card holders to buy Bitcoin on chain. Bitcoin is going mainstream. It's really, really exciting. And also the Visa CEO also is saying we are very bullish on crypto and stablecoin following the Genius Act, which allows for the issuance and the auditing and for the stablecoin market, which is expected to grow from 250 billion to trillions of dollars in the coming years. Anthony Popliano's ProCap just bought $386 million worth of Bitcoin. More treasury companies are buying Bitcoin like crazy right now. We see another company, Norway, deep sea mining firm, plans $1.2 billion Bitcoin buy. So look at the scale of these transactions to buy Bitcoin. $1.2 billion to buy Bitcoin. Wow, this is incredible. So that's the news for today. A short update about the state of the market. If you fail to buy Ethereum in a recent dip to 1,400s and then dollars, and then we have a recent dip to $2,200. Well, now maybe not too late to buy, as Ethereum is heading to the upside, and also Solana is trading currently at $144. I believe is going to break new all-time highs in this year. So let's see, guys, how this is going to develop, and I'll keep you up to date with the latest news about the crypto markets. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.